Alright, welcome to this video. I'll try to pick this DOM IX or 9 or whatever. I don't know if it's Roman numerals or... so it's a 10-pin dimple lock, 2 rows of active pins side by side in there. Key actually works really well. So all the dimples on there on that key, so it's not just 2 rows for to be able to reverse the key. All of them are actually active. So I'm using this small tension wrench that perfectly fits right into that keyway there. That basically what helped me pick this thing, because it's really a perfect setup to tension the lock. The feedback on these are super subtle. You're never going to get a loud click or something super obvious. Oh, so there we go. I gotta turn on the core right there. Oh, there we go. Alright, so now I'll try to gut this thing. Never actually gutted it, so not even sure what it looks inside. Okay, I'll try not to ruin the shot here. Where it actually helps me. Alright, so you can see that it is picked. So it is some sort of a Schlage. So I do have the key, so I'm just going to lock it back up. There's a spring in there. No spring. All right. So won't take any chances since I have no clue what's in there. I'm just gonna shim. If a shim will fit in there. Just going to put a bit of light, guys, because I don't... Wow, there's not even room to fit a shim in there. Wow, how about tight tolerances? I'll just take a chance and no, that does not look like a good idea. Really try to fit this thing. These are really thin shims, and still Let's try the other side. Quite excited to pick that lock. See what's in there. So we got the, I was going to say sidebar, but that's not a sidebar. I have no clue what the heck that is. Just going to shut that light off because it's... So, not sure what the heck that is. Oh, so that actually interacts with this on the key. Okay, well, I'll show it to you later. Okay, so how am I gonna dump that? Sorry, I'm not, did not expect to pick that thing so quick, and now I'm not too sure how I'm gonna dump all this. So guess I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so it's missing 2 pins. Don't know if it's still gonna count as the real thing, since it's actually missing 2 pins. Oh, wow. They're not all gonna. So the shape of these pins is what prevents them from turning, because the 2 rows being side by side, the top of these pins have to be shaped to match the circular shape of the core. Otherwise, if the pin would turn, it would actually catch and prevent the lock from opening. So they had to come up with a way to prevent these things from turning, and it is kind of a heart-shaped. Man, these things are stuck in there good. There we go. So here's the core. So now that I opened it, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be valid as an official DOM-X IX or whatever, because it's missing 2 pins. So that part seems to be interacting with that part of the key or something. So I don't know if it's part of a key control. So depending on which piece that you put in there, it might be, yeah, that's it. So that little piece right there interacts with the tip of the key. So I don't know if it's for key control or something, because if you have the wrong slot or something, it might push that piece sideways and prevent the core from turning. So I'm not too sure about that. But let me show you these pins. I mean, so you kind of see that they're not circular, they're not cylindrical. They have some sort of an odd heart shape or spade shape. And this guy seemed to have an anti-drill steel pin inside. And even the tip of these are weird shapes. So when you actually pick it, it just feels strange. So a bit of a deception right there, because I don't think that's going to be valid for belt. Almost forgot to check what's on top there. Okay, so these things are super weird shaped as well. That's gonna be fun as hell to put back together. So I was gonna say they're all standard, but man, the shape of these is nothing but standard. It's just strange. Oops. There's springs, but one of them stuck in there. One of the pin is completely stuck in there. That probably helped me getting that thing open as well. So you can kind of see some grooves in there. They kind of look like sidebar grooves. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got one at the top pin pretty damn stuck in there, and it was missing the two top drivers as well. And it's missing a whole bunch of springs too. I mean, so that was not a complete lock, unfortunately. What am I missing here? So one of them is still stuck in there, and I'm missing a spring. Or did it fly off somewhere? Yeah, so far. Spring missing. Oh no, it's stuck in there. Okay, so I found my last spring. One pin is stuck in there, and unfortunately missing two pins at the end to make it a proper IX, I guess. But still, that was a fun pick. Look at that weird shape of these pins. This is actually a nice lock to work with. So in the end it had 8 pin, not 10, but still a very nice lock. So I guess I'll try to see if I can get more pins for that thing and try to pick it again with its full content. Thanks for watching.